78, Ernie Hudson, famously known for his role as Winston Zedd Emore in Ghostbusters, has once again captivated the public, this time with his dashing red carpet appearance. Dressed in jeans and a fitted black t-shirt, he proved that age is just a number. Social media was abuzz, with fans cheekily commenting, "Sweet baby Jesus, I'm swooning over someone's grandpa," and dubbing him the epitome of tall, dark, and handsome. But Hudson's look wasn't a mere fluke. When a smudge on his jacket led to a quick change, it highlighted the results of years of hard work and commitment to a healthy lifestyle. His toned physique and strong arms speak to his dedication to health and wellness. In this video, we're exploring Hudson's top 3 health rules for people over 50, his exercise regimen, the 3 foods he eats daily, and the 7 supplements he takes for longevity. Exercise routine. Hudson views exercise as essential not only for appearance, but for overall well-being. In an interview, he noted, "I see guys with big muscles, but that's not what my career has been about." He admits that as he reached his 70s, he noticed more changes in his body, pushing him to take his fitness seriously. Ernie's 3 health rules for people over 50. Walking. Hudson is a big advocate of walking, often seen strolling around film sets and airport terminals, choosing movement over staying still in lounges. He aims for at least 10,000 steps daily, with his dog offering both companionship and motivation. Regular health checkups. A 2-time cancer survivor, Hudson stresses the importance of early screenings and preventive health care. He encourages regular checkups and vaccinations, like the HPV vaccine for younger individuals. Skincare routine. Hudson believes in skincare, regularly using sunscreen and moisturizer to keep his skin looking healthy and youthful, recognizing that skin can change with age. Oatmeal for breakfast. Hudson's breakfast staple, oatmeal, is high in fiber, which promotes digestive health and helps lower cholesterol. Packed with nutrients like iron, magnesium, and B vitamins, oatmeal provides sustained energy throughout the day. Hudson enjoys it with fruits, nuts, or honey for a quick and customizable breakfast. 2. Eggs and salmon. For a protein-rich snack, Hudson opts for hard-boiled eggs and smoked salmon. Eggs supply high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and minerals like B12, D, and selenium, supporting muscle health and cognitive function. The omega-3s in salmon help maintain heart health and reduce inflammation. Vegetables. To ensure a nutrient-rich diet, Hudson includes sautéed spinach and homemade vegetable soup, often prepared by his wife, for added vitamins and immune support. When he needs a snack, he reaches for nuts like pecans and walnuts, which provide healthy fats and fiber. He also practices intermittent fasting, eating within a set time frame, which supports better metabolism and digestion. 7 supplements Hudson takes daily. In a recent interview with Men's Health, Hudson shared details about his supplement regimen, which includes vitamin C and B12. These vitamins are crucial in Hudson's routine. Vitamin C supports immune health and acts as an antioxidant, while B12 aids energy metabolism and red blood cell production, keeping Hudson energized and healthy as he ages. Apple cider vinegar. Hudson incorporates apple cider vinegar for its digestive and blood sugar-regulating benefits, appreciating its versatility and the potential it offers for weight management. Coenzyme Q10. Known for supporting cardiovascular health, coenzyme Q10 is a powerful antioxidant that aids cellular energy and blood flow, which Hudson prioritizes as it naturally decreases with age. Fiber gummies. Fiber gummies help Hudson maintain digestive health, promoting regular bowel movements and nutrient absorption, making it easy for him to meet his daily fiber needs. Fish oil. Hudson values fish oil for its omega-3s, which are essential for heart and brain health, inflammation reduction, and cognitive function. Hibiscus flower. Hudson includes hibiscus flower for its antioxidant properties, often enjoying it in tea form. It may help lower blood pressure and boost cardiovascular health. Hair, skin, and nail supplement. Hudson takes this supplement to support his appearance with nutrients like biotin and collagen, which promote healthy hair, skin, and nails, contributing to his youthful glow. Together, these supplements reflect Hudson's holistic approach to health, helping him stay active and vibrant. As he continues to excel in his career, he jokes about his wife, Linda Kingsburg, now joining him more frequently, saying, "As I get older and attract more attention, she travels with me everywhere." Hudson's journey shows that with dedication to health and wellness, one can defy age. His focus on fitness, balanced nutrition, and preventive healthcare serves as an inspiration, proving that a fulfilling and active life is possible at any age. Thank you for watching.